Umphakathi waseSoweto ububhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo yemantshi yasePretoria njengoba uPats Mnyawu odabuka eMozambique ebevela kokuqala enkantolo.
Sikhathela ababulali nje abaphuma baphuma free. So ingakho sila sizosupporta ispirit sika-Amantle ukuthi umbulali angaphumi ejele, abule afele khona.
Ubhekene necala lokudlwengula, elokubulala, elokuthumba kanye lokuphula imithetho yokuphuma nokungena kulelizwe. Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthi seliqoqe ubufakazi obanele ngaleli cala.
We do have enough evidence. There are prospects of a successful prosecution, so we are confident that we have evidence to sustain the charges.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa obethamele leli cala uqinisekise ukuthi leli cala bazolokhu belilandela njalo.
We are very confident that we are going to see the case through together with this fellow until he is taken finally to judgment.
Inhlangano elela amalungelo ezingane nabesifazane iKwanele Foundation ithi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi iziphathimandla zenze kangcono ekulweni nesihlava sokubulawa kwezingane nabantu besifazane.
Until when? How much more noise should be done for gender-based violence to be taken seriously in our country? What are we seeing today? We're only seeing our ministers and top officials coming to courts only when there's a dead body.
Umndeni ka-Amantle Samane uthi ufuna izimpendulo kumsolwa.
It's difficult. We just wish we could have time with him and then look him in the eye, ask him some questions, yes, about that day, and then ask him why us.
uSimnyawu uboshwe izolo esekubhaceni kanti inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sika-Amantle izobanjwa ngoLwesibili oluzayo bese efihlwa ngoLwesine.